Hello, welcome to L-Proof Learning Channel. In this video, we will explain how to compare big numbers up to million in its standard form or another different forms. Follow me. Begin by comparing large numbers in their standard form. First, we count the numbers of digits for two numbers. Here we have two cases. The first case is that if the number of digits of each of the two numbers are different, then, in this case, the number with more digits is the one that is greater. For example, if we wanted to compare the two numbers in front of you, we will find that the first number, which is 517,238, it consists of 6 digits. As for the second number, which is 57,238, consists of 5 digits. Therefore, we can still say that the first number will be the greater. Let us see another example of this same situation. In the same way, if we want to compare the two numbers that appear before you, we will find that the first number consists of 7 digits, while the second number consists of 8 digits. Therefore, we can still say that the second number, which is 18,570,956, is greater than the number 9,025,661. After we saw the first case of comparing numbers and knew how to determine the larger or smaller number, let us see the second case of comparing large numbers, which says that if the number of digits of each of the two numbers is equal, then in this case we compare the values of the digits of each of the two numbers starting from left to right. For example, if we wanted to compare the two numbers in front of you, we would find that the first number consists of 5 digits. The second number also consists of 5 digits. Therefore, we will begin to compare the numbers of each of the two numbers from the first left. Then we will find that the number, the tens of thousands, in both numbers 5 means they are equal. So we can see and compare between the numbers of 1,000's digit. We will find that the digits of the 1,000's digit in both numbers are equal, and therefore we go to compare the digits of the hundred's digit, and we will find that the number 2 is smaller than the number 4. Therefore, the number 53,214 will be smaller than the number 53,412. Now let's see another example of this same case. In the same way, if we want to compare the two numbers in front of you, we will notice that the first number is made up of 6 digits, and the second number is made up of 6 digits. Therefore, they are two equal numbers in the same number of digits. That is why we will begin to compare the numbers of each of the two numbers from the first left. When we compare the numbers of the hundreds of firsts place, we will find that they are equal. So we will go all the way to the previous digit and compare the numbers. In the tens of thousands digit, we will find that they are equal. We will move to the previous digit, and we will find that the numbers of the ones thousands in both numbers are equal. We will go to the previous digit, which is the hundreds, and we will find that the 7 is greater than the 1, and therefore the number will be 830,000, and 796 is greater than. The number is 830,157. After we have seen the different cases through which we can compare large numbers in their standard form, let us now see how we can compare numbers in their different forms. Let us, for example, want to compare the two formulas in front of you. The verbal formula is 75,920 with the expended form 3 plus 50 plus 800 plus 5,000 plus 70,000. In principle, the first step we must take in order to compare different formulas is to convert these formulas and write them in the standard form, so that the comparison becomes easier and simpler. As for the verbal form, when we convert it to the standard form, it will be 75,920. As for the extended form, when we write it in the standard form, it will be 75,083. Now we begin to apply the compare rule that we said a while ago. We will find that the first number consists of 5 digits, and the second number also consists of 5 digits. Therefore, we will compare the numbers of both numbers from left to right. When we compare the numbers of the two numbers in the tens of thousands digit, we find that they are equal. So we go the digit before it, which is the ones thousands. So when we compare the two numbers, we find that they are equal. So we go to the digit before it, which is the hundreds, and we find that the number 9 is greater than the number 0. Therefore, the number 75,920 will be greater than the number 75,083. Thus, we know how to compare large numbers in their standard forms, or different forms. Finally, I hope that the explanation was perfect. Thanks for watching and listening. See you next time.